The curry aloo, coconut channa and aloo. The curry patching up here. Then the aloo and the potato are throw in. Right. So the aloo and throw in and then the channa as well. Channa and aloo. I'm going to do the curry patching up here. And if you have to boil rice or something. So just turn the aloo with the curry patching up. Potato running. So some of the ingredients got in it had aloo here. Then to put on with potato. And channa had to go in. Water. Channa, some people going to have chickpeas. Channa going to go thing then I will show you how it comes out. If anything cooking again, I'm going to do it again and make one long video. Alright, so the channa going in now, people are going to have chickpeas. Yeah, if it is more curry, what do you put it? Yeah, curry looking a little light. Right? So the aloo, the channa, we're going to have chickpeas, and the aloo is potato. So potato and chickpeas, channa and aloo, curry channa and aloo. Some saffron. I think I add a little more curry, I think. Then when it's nearly done, I will show you the finishing touches of it. Right, so let's mix it now. See if we get a nice color. Very nice curry color, but there is enough curry too. So when it cooks long now, you will get
nice curry color now. Yeah.
So curry channa and aloo, or curry chickpeas and potato. Some people might know what is curry aloo and channa. They might know what is aloo. Aloo is the Hindi name for it. Channa is right here. Okay, now we've got seasoning, green seasoning. Salt now going in. Right, so water in it now, just have to boil down and come less now and cook in the rice boil in there. Right, so the channa and the aloo here. Just have to boil down, have some rice boiling there as well. Right. Going to make something for kurhi. Some people might not know what this is. This is split peas powder and saffron and whatnot to make some little kind of ball thing like pulori. And to make the people might not know where this at all. Last time I do this one as well. So the curry channa and aloo on this as well. They're all coming in one video. So far it's a while and then that I make but I will show how what I'm making. We are trying it now or not. Alright, so this is this here for us. Just add a little more water again. Take on like please the how to call it. Channa and aloo, I love that rice as well there too. Again. Some jeera. 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 This is indeed for the aloo to cook and everything, and then after this go finish. Right there. This here. And the next thing cooking, the curry cooking, I'm going to show you not turn out and put all in one. You finish cook, but just transfer it to our next pot, but you have to use it to do something else. When you finish cook, just transfer it into our next pot so you can see. So use this pot to do something else, cook something else again. Need the curry as I said. Alright, so these are there. Finish. So this is something I'm going to curry, but you have to fry first. Like kurhi, called Boulders. Alright, so when it's done, I have to put all together, make one video. Today is today's Shivratri. Today is the 15th of February 2026. Let us fry up and get it brown. I'll show you our next batch again when I get brown. See fry in here. Mixing up things and make it salty and all after we slowly fry it up. So we all are mixing out and frying. Right. This is what is doing it when it's frying. It get brown like this. When you have part cooking, then I will show all in one. Start and then to the end up right when it's done, we're done. So again today is Shivratri, the 15th of February 2026. So but I want to show all the food, so some food are the food cooking here, some of the food cooking. There's a lot of things, party, shot time, pumpkin, channa and aloo, this kurhi, rice, and I think roti as well. This here, we're mixing, I have some more things in it. I'm going to cook, I'll show you what I'm cooking, and when I finish. Some more spring frying again for it. Ready piece for the meat. And see when I get brown. I can see what the brown is, but it's very brown. Right, so there's here frying here. This is here when I finish there, I get the brownness to cook anything into the thing. How to turn to the kurhi. That and more frying, I have some more to fire, then Masala cooking, you like the thing how to throw in. Right, Nari. Why don't just be and had to go into as well. All that going into this pot. Just make some saffron. Alright, so one more thing going again. I'm going to show you the next part of the video. And then when you finish, I'm going to take it and so we'll see what else. Then what I make also so this again today Shivratri, the 15th of February 2026. So the carnival weekend got tomorrow, Monday and Tuesday carnival in my country. So there we go. Alright, so some more. You laugh at it. Like this. Okay, if you want to see in the bowl there. This is it again, this is the secret again. Right here, this right here. This. And this here had to go into it. And that pot right here. Right. This had to go into this pot. So we get a little more brown. Then we get bring it around using garlic. I'll show you how we get more brown from when it go in. Right. So this is the second ingredient. This is also frying. Right, let's see how it's frying there. This thing here. You have to just know. Right. So the other thing the liquid now going to throw in here with a cook. And then we'll cook for a while and the other thing to add. That's it. Now to cook up now. And these things will add here. I know all the ingredients in the sun, I don't want to call it out. That's why I know what I show you how it's cooked. But I think some people might see this for the first time. Who not from Trinidad and Tobago. No, not everybody from Trinidad and Tobago might know it too. Right, so when the other ingredients I'm going to show you. Alright, so this is it here. Had to boil up for a while. I waited to cook for too long for it to mash up. So this is what kurhi is. Alright. It's still cooking. So I had to also boil down. Pepper now add in there. I get that done. Ow. Alright. So this is the way it is here. Right. Okay, this way where you can die better. This is it. We're finishing off it. So it's curry channa and aloo and kurhi. I have other thing as well to eat. There's babai bhaji, shatain, pumpkin. It is Shivratri. Sunday the 15th of February 2026. Just want to send out the pepper for people. Right. So this way it is here. This is like blocking, so right, is it? I'm out.